This is our friend's dog that we're helping to watch this weekend. But before I tell you more about him, I tell you about some kittens. Pet Collective Cares has a 24/7 webcam on some kittens. Who doesn't think baby kittens are cute, okay? If you don't think baby kittens are cute, you're just weird. I don't know. Wasn't that cute? So check out Pet Collective Cares channel and share it with friends that also like cute kittens. Okay, this is our friend's dog that we're watching, and I have a cute clip of him from yesterday playing with our dog. Ah! Get it back in the line. Okay, I'll chase you down. What are we doing? Oh, Gavin! Start again. This weekend we're watching our friend's dog Terminator. He's the one on the chain because he doesn't have an invisible fence collar. Oh, there's my son. This is our friend's dog that we are watching. He has an adorable face. Alright, you gotta get down. No. No. This is our friend's dog that we're helping to watch. That's our dog. And this is the dog drool all over my sleeves. Pet Collective Cares has a 24/7... Oh, stink. Well, yeah, anyways. It's crazy. So tell me in the comments, are you a dog lover, or a cat lover, or both? And please subscribe to my channel before you go. Bye for now.